Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to GCash. And actually it's pretty easy, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to download GCash app on your phone and then open your account. After that, click on Cash in the top right corner. And here you will find yourself on this page. So if you scroll down a little bit here, you will find that in the recent partners, I have PayPal and BPI. But you don't have PayPal in your case because you still haven't connected your PayPal account. So what you want to do is go to Global Banks and Partners. So click on Global Banks and Partners, and you will find yourself on this page. You will have to choose PayPal, which should be the first option. So click on PayPal, and then here in my case, I have already connected my PayPal account, so I won't be able to show you how it works or how you can connect your PayPal account, but it's pretty easy. You just need to enter your email and your password and you'll be able to cash in with PayPal wallet. So in the amount here, you just have to type whatever amount you want. Let's say, for example, 500, which is the minimal cash in amount. Okay. Now, once you have clicked on the amount, just go to confirm. And here you'll find yourself again on this page, and you'll find in the recent partners PayPal that has been added. And that's it. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.